Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable background video on Disney+. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is, first, if you want first to experience this issue, you might notice it when watching trailers that automatically play without your input. And this is a feature called background video, and you can enable or disable it to get a better Disney Plus streaming experience. Now, not every device supports background video, so you should follow these instructions on a device that you wish to alter, like your smart TV. So what to do? Select your profile icon on smart TV, navigate left at its top of the menu, select edit profiles, choose the profile you wish to adjust the background video setting for, toggle background video on or off, and then basically just select done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.